Surge! And Kit? I have so many questions.
Ain't it obvious? I'm chilling with your bestie. She was telling me this crazy story about a forest fire.
You do know who this is, right?
I do, and I know it sounds crazy, but she came in peace. She made a point of finding me to announce she and Kit wanted to turn their lives around.
So I'm willing to chalk this up to a rocky start and let us have a do-over, if you will.
Just like that?
Just like that.
After all, you said I could. You made it sound so simple.
Freedom is right there, just waiting for you. Just take it!
I can't. Our last fight was a bit of a close call. It got me to reprioritize, so here we are. Ready to start over. Right, Drippy?
Yes.
Yeah? Just like that?
This is all there's left to eat around here? Really?
I'm sorry. It's all I can find. The base has no power, so anything perishable is rotting. And there's not much to forage beyond the walls.
I ain't living off berries and roots. We need to get out of here.
Yes, but where? Dr. Eggman is aware of us, so his bases will be on high alert. We don't belong anywhere in polite society. This place is falling apart around us.
I know all that. You're supposed to be the smart one. Figure it out.
I'm trying. Has Eggman come back to look for us?
I'm gonna tear off his mustache and feed it to him. Tear him down!
Right.
Time to toast a small fry.
Messing with our tech? Then get ready to scuffle.
These bots are protected by...
What do you say, boys? Should I make your tails match?
No! Mercy!
No mercy for Eggman, goons.
We don't work for Eggman no more, idiot!
Yeah? Then what's with all the egg tech?
It and the fools you've trounced belong to me.
Hold the mooks.
Yes, ma'am.
My apologies for the intrusion. I'd assumed the late Dr. Starline's base was no longer occupied.
You knew that sack of trash?
I did indeed. I deal in all manner of scrap and robotic refuse. Dr. Starline was a frequent client of mine for all sorts of resources.
Wait a minute. You mean...
I know who you are, Miss Surge. I know what you are. I know a great many things. Such as, you don't mind getting your hands dirty. And that you have no love for Sonic the Hedgehog or his friends. Perhaps we can do business, huh?
Maybe. Who are you?
Rude of me. I'm Clutch the Opossum. And publicly, I run Clean Sweep Inc. My company clears out areas once invaded by Dr. Eggman, and sells the material back to him, or whomever needs questionable technology. People think it's a kindly public service. I see no need to correct them.
Alright. Where do I come in?
Sonic's friends do the same work as my company, but legitimately. That's bad for business. I'm in the process of staging a hostile takeover, if you will. Help me further my plans to steal the restoration, and in return, I'll tell you everything I know about you and your young companion.
You got a deal, old man.
But how will we even get near the headquarters? We're the enemies!
Oh, I know just how to get in the front door.
Yeah? Just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
Cool. Glad you came around. Let me and Amy give you a grand tour of the place.
To keep an eye on them.
Oh, you betcha.
So, you've already seen them all. Lots of dining and shopping options for the staff and anyone passing through.